Hello, my friends. Some ladies ask me whether I have a warehouse in the US or a warehouse in the Europe. I don't have warehouse in overseas, and I don't plan to do that because this is a very good question and sensitive question for all the hair vendors and all the hair buyers. Because, for example, I'm the hair maker and hair wholesaler in China. If I'm going to create a warehouse in the US or create a warehouse in Europe, that means in a way I will be competing with my current hair buyers in the local cities. Do you get my point? And nowadays in this hair business, a lot of hair vendors and some big hair factories, some big hair companies, they already have their warehouse and their own hair shops in America, in Europe, in UK, in Australia, in Nigeria, in South Africa, in a lot of countries. So of course they still have a lot of wholesale buyers from them. So this is the business strategy I'm going to share with you. I'm not sure if any other hair vendors will share these business ideas with you. To me, I don't want to impact my business partners or my customers in their market. You get my point? If I open a warehouse, that means a lot of the local clients will know me, will know my name, and they will say, hey, this is the wholesaler from China directly. Let's go to buy from them, and the price must be cheaper. You know me. So if your current hair vendors or your hair manufacturer have the warehouse or hair company, hair shops in your country, it's not a very good sign. From my point of view, it's not a good sign. So this is the way I'm doing business. Of course, I traveled to a lot of countries before. I did travel to a lot of countries before, and I did plan to open some hair shops in overseas. But after discussions with a lot of ladies, after discussion with a lot of people, I found that actually it's not a good idea to open hair shops in overseas. To me, I'm saying to me, because sooner or later, you will lose some customers. You will lose a lot of your loyal customers who are buying wholesale from you, because your price is cheaper in that market. A lot of customers will come directly to you, and it will impact your wholesale buyers business. So your buyers will go to other hair vendors. That's not what I'm expecting. So I don't have warehouse in overseas. Even some ladies from the US and from the UK or Europe, they asked me to open a hair business or warehouse in their countries. I said to them, no. Firstly, I don't think I can find a very good person to cooperate. It will cost you too much energy, too much time, and you fly back and forth. You leave your family. You don't have time to take good care of your family, and even you earn a lot of money, but I don't want that way. So that's the first point. And secondly, just like what I said, you will lose a lot of customers, your loyal customers, and they will go to other hair vendors. And so no one will be supporting you sooner or later. But you will only build your own team in overseas markets. It will cost you too much energy, especially in this hair business. It's too much competition, too much. Nowadays, salon stylists want to buy hair directly from manufacturer, and the ladies who are working at home also are looking for hair manufacturer. Everyone is looking for hair manufacturer. You get my point. The best way for me is to cooperate with customers who are already doing good business there, and I support them. I use my good quality hair, my best services. For the long run, I support my customers. My customers are competing with other hair vendors in their countries. Maybe their competitors buy hair from China too. But so I am the team. I team up with my customers. I team up with my customers to compete with the other vendors. So quality, I guarantee them. That's why a lot of ladies, even after a few years, they will send me messages. Hey, I'm looking for hair vendors, and I compare many vendors. I found out that you have the best quality I want. But after a few years, at the beginning, they just look for very cheap price. When we send messages, they just moved here and there, move to a lot of places. This is not good to you, ladies. It's not good. So I team up with my customers. So quality, also with just like a team, you know. Any information we discuss, hey, how we are going to do this? Okay, the market is changing now. Okay, the price is dropping down now. Okay, I find the reason. I find out what's happening, and I tell them what's happening in China. So I share the information with my customers. That's why a lot of customers keep with me for many years. This is what I'm going to do. So maybe at the beginning they were very small. But I support them. They grow up bigger. And they, of course, they also support me. We support each other. You understand me? So they are just working with the kind of same personality with a person alike with each other, and we compete with other hair vendors. So we have the same strategy. Quality. This quality is for which market. This another quality is for which market. That's how I do business with my current customers. So this is the best way for me. I don't want to take the market. If I set a warehouse in USA, if I set a warehouse in Europe, it's very bad. I don't want to take the market from them because I want to keep with them, and they grow stronger. I grow stronger in China. I just work here and they work there. This is the best way for me. So I don't have warehouse. So this, and also some customers will ask me, hey, is this person purchased the hair from you? I didn't tell them anything about my customers. The wholesale buyers, because I respect my customers. I will not tell them which quality they purchase from me when other ladies ask me, because sometimes some ladies, I don't know how they get the information. And they know who is buying hair from me, and I just zip. I said, I cannot tell you which hair she's buying, but I can offer tips. Like I said, our favorite fuller Remy hair is for middle income customers. Our single donor version hair is for higher income customers. So I only offer these tips, and you can consult with me, and I can offer you advice. But I will not tell my customers' privacy. You will change the position. If I tell the privacy about my customers, one day you become my customers. And what about the other ladies come to ask me about you? Is that mean I will also tell the privacy about you? No, I'm not going to do that. That will be very bad to my business. Also will be bad to my customers' business. Of course, sometimes I share some stories. Sometimes you will see I post some chatting information with customers. I ask them if I can share, or if customer want to find a stylist, I can share. When they allowed me to do that, I will do that. Otherwise, I will stop. I will not do that. You get my point. So you need to think about, if you are the individual buyer or stylist, maybe this is not what you need to think at this moment about the warehouse. Whether your current wholesalers are setting up a warehouse in the country, maybe this is not what you need to think about at this time. You need to grow up bigger. But if you are the wholesale buyers, you need to be very careful, because some vendors, they will not tell you they already set a warehouse, or they will already have some under the table about the business strategy. In this hair business, they will not tell you. I still remember a few years ago, a billionaire, he came to China to meet with me 2 times. He talked to me that he had a very big supplier to support his business. But from the talking to him, I think he didn't plan to keep with that vendor strongly. You get my point? Because that vendor already set a warehouse, and they will have shops in the local markets. Regarding the quality, he was worrying about the quality, because sometimes the quality was not stable. He wanted me to support him. And also the competition. He told me that vendor was actually competing with him after a few years. So he knew that some customers will go to that vendor. Sooner or later, the business will be impacted. That's why he contacted me to talk about all these things. So this is about the warehouse, if they have warehouse, or because if you send your sample or your design, if you send the design to the hair company, you think they will not sell the same style hair in the market? No. I'm telling you guys, this is business. I'm telling you guys. I met these people a lot. They have the hair shops, and they're selling the same hairstyle, the same hair use. He sent the same hairstyle to the manufacturer and to make the hair. And he find out that someone was selling the same hairstyle in his country. And that really impacted his business. So that's why I said, sometimes you need to think deep. I hope this video can inspire your hair business. That's why I said, nowadays a lot of people, even personal users are also looking for hair manufacturer, So to me, you go to check my YouTube channel, over 10 years, I'm there. So I will be always there. To me, I will just team up with my loyal customers, and I support them. They support me. We grow together. This is the best way. If you have any ideas want to share with me, or also I welcome you to visit me one day in China. Remember me. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe my Instagram. Remember me. If one day you need a hair vendor, or if you need to change a hair vendor, I'm always there for you. And I always will do best for you. I will see you in the next video.